Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. What took you so long? Okay, so as you can see from the title of today's video, I did order some hair from Midulla. It's either Midulla or Midulla, but it's a vendor from Amazon, and I'll leave all the information in the description bar below. But it's 28 inches and it is deep curly middle part. Not sure if it's 4x4, but like I said, I'll leave the information down below. So right now you see me going in with some bleach, of course, just some random, well, the normal bleaching powder from our beauty supply store, and some volume 20 developer. Don't judge me for that knife, y'all. I couldn't find my brush. I bought a new brush the last time I bleached some hair, and I don't know, I have to buy a brush every time I do a new hairstyle. So anyway, you see me going over the lace with that mixture, and I'm just trying to make sure it's distributed to, how you pronounce it? I'm trying to make sure it's distributed evenly for the most part. But actually this part, you all, it really was a fail for me. I'm not even gonna tell y'all no story. And then after all of that, I didn't even realize that I wasn't recording when I washed the bleach off. So just this whole section was a fail, but I'm gonna tell you about it anyway, because hey, I did it and it's content. But anyway, like I said, I'm going over the mesh, over the lace. Lord, I can't talk today. I'm going over the lace with that mixture, and I did not leave this on for very long because I was afraid that I was gonna be bleaching my hair strands instead of the knots actually bleaching. So now I'm going in, and you see me rinsing that off. Like, some of them were bleached and some of them were not, but for me it was kind of a fail. So I'm gonna go in afterwards with a lot of body deep conditioner, and I'm just gonna go over the whole wig with that, because of course this hair did have some type of like smell. Now the smell does not bother me because I mean, I've been wearing wigs and working with wigs for a long time, so I'm used to that smell. But I mean, I just wanted it to smell different. Like, I wanted it to smell good and not like a wig that I got from, you know, across the country. So I went through it with that little $1 packet that I found at my beauty supply store of Lotta Body deep conditioner, and I just lightly, you know, went through it, combed it a little bit, and I was actually happy with the results of it. As far as the curls, I didn't really lose curls, and it actually gave me more length. Like, it relaxed it a little bit. That may be a problem for some people, but it absolutely was not one for me. So as you can see, it's true to the 28 inches. And at this part, my brother, he was visiting us for the weekend, and y'all, somebody stole my wig head, and I'm just not even gonna get into that story, but I'm gonna just have to buy a new one. But for this video, just for the purposes of the video, I used my brother's head as a model so I could go through and pluck my middle part and pluck, you know, some of those edges out and give it a more natural look than it already has. It is pre-plucked, but I wanted it to look a little more natural, so that's what you see us doing. And shout out to my brother, because he was so patient with me. We were watching excuse me, y'all know I get out of breath fast. We were watching Sister on Netflix, so he was just chilling and letting me get that out the way real fast. It didn't take very long. I think it took about 10 minutes for me to get the look that I wanted from it. On here you can see me joking with him. I'm telling him thanks, you know, for letting me do it. And because I ain't want to, you know, I ain't want the saints to freak out, so I didn't put that whole process up here. So now you see me, this wig actually came with 2 wig caps, and I'm grateful for that, because I don't actually like the wig caps that I get from the beauty supply store. They're actually like thicker than this one was, and for me that poses a problem, maybe because I'm not a professional cosmetologist. But I'm going through with my glue and layering that with just some basic wig bonding glue that I picked up from the hair store by Eben. Y'all know I love Eben. You can see on my channel that I love Eben. I love their hair products, makeup products, all of that. But I'm going through with a few layers, and I actually sprayed it also with some Gots to Be Glued. So So you see me doing that again. And I know that later on in this process, it's going to look like it didn't dry when I actually placed the wig on. But it didn't pose a problem for me. I was able to place that wig and dry it and stuff without there being any white showing. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm laying it, trying to see how far I want it to go down on that lace or over the lace. And I'm combing through it, you know, making sure none of those hairs actually stick to the glue. And once you see me do that, I'm going to use a melting band, something I also ordered from Amazon. It came in a 4-pack. And I'm going to sit back under the dryer for about 10-15 minutes and actually use my blow dryer as well until it's melted to my liking. I did go over the wig and my wig cap with a foundation that was my color so that it could give the scalp effect. And y'all, I'm really happy with this. I'm actually getting more comfortable with laying wigs and stuff, so you'll see more hair videos like you used to. For those of you who've been following me since what, 2015, 16, this hair stuff ain't nothing new for y'all. Okay, so I'm looking at it, I'm kind of happy with it, you know, winking at myself in the mirror. And so here I'm going to go back and separate those baby hairs that I plucked earlier, and just trying to see how it's gonna look, giving myself a little dance, a little pep talk. You know how it is when you're feeling yourself. I actually went back in later and I cut my baby hair so they would be shorter than they are in this video, because I just don't like that. And I'm not a pro at baby hairs, y'all. I'm an amateur. I am an amateur when it comes to doing my hair, but I do what works for me. So here you see me going through with some lot of body mousse, and I also have some hair detangler that I didn't necessarily need for, you know, the maintenance of this hair, but just the looks. And I'm going through here and I'm getting it to my liking, and probably gonna mess with my edges once again. And this is how it turned out, y'all. I am really pleased with this hair. It priced me at about $195, so no more than $200 on the 28 inches wig from Amazon. Y'all, to look good, you do not have to spend an arm and a leg. I'm just telling you, that's me now. Y'all know I know how to ball on a budget, okay? That's my favorite thing to do. So these are the ending results, and I'm probably going to come back later and give you all another full review after like about a week or so wearing this wig. But I did want to get that out to y'all, this content. I love it. Look at it. Now I'm just finna, you know, tease the camera a little bit for y'all, because you know one thing about it, if you got a nice hairstyle, whether it is yours or whether it is store-bought, you don't have to do much, honey. You do not have to do much. Let me get y'all that slow-mo. Look at that. Wink, honey. Give him a shake. Give him a shake. Come through inches. Give it to him, baby. Give it to him. Ooh, y'all, I'm so excited. I'm back, just in case you did not know. I'm back. So yeah, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and comment down below for more videos that you'd like to see. And I'll see y'all next time. Love y'all so much. Thank you. Bye.